Grab your 4 digital habit trackers and the series ebook by clicking the Drive link in the description below. Congratulations! You've completed this video series. You've gone through each chapter. Maybe you took notes. Maybe you paused to think. Maybe some parts hit close to home. That alone shows you've already started to change. Now, there's just one thing left. A few final tips, not fancy words, just real lessons from life itself. I know, I might have repeated myself a few times, but hey, that's not a bad thing. Some ideas need to be heard more than once so they really stick. Remember, knowledge only turns into action when it truly clicks. That's how real change happens. Give big meaning to small things. We often wait for big changes, huge projects, or life-changing decisions. But life is built on the small choices we make every day. Waking up just a little earlier, taking 2 minutes to breathe before checking your phone, reading 1 page over your morning coffee. They might seem small, but over time, they reshape who you are and the life you live. Remember, great results come from sticking with the small steps. Success equals keep the chain going. There's no such thing as perfection. No one moves forward perfectly every single day. But the most successful people do one thing better than others. They keep going. They don't beat themselves up when they miss a day. They keep their system running, even when motivation fades. When they fall, they treat themselves kindly and start again. All you need to do is keep your chain unbroken. You might miss one day. Just don't miss the second. Life is shaped by how well you keep that chain alive. Don't be afraid to start. Trust what follows. The hardest part of change is always the first step. Before you start, 1,000 excuses show up. It's not the right time. I'm too busy. I just need to be a little more ready. But the truth is, you'll never be fully ready. Readiness comes after you move. Take the first step and let the rest flow. The best time to start is now. And one last thing. Your story belongs to you. This book or video series can guide you. So can other books, videos, or teachers. But no guide is more important than the one you write yourself. So, trust your own steps, not someone else's path. Believe in your rhythm, not someone else's pace. Listen to that quiet but powerful voice of your own change, not someone else's approval. Because you are the one who will write your story. And life rewards those who do. Those who don't pick up their own pen end up as extras in someone else's story. Now, close your eyes for a second. Say to yourself, I'm starting. And when you finish this video, take that sentence as your very first small step forward. The pen is in your hand. Own your story.